could not live without her chocolate milk.
Do you really need to go?
I have to go.
Okay, fine.
Bye, honey. I love you.
Bye, honey. Bye, sweetheart. My heart. My love.
Going to the store. What the hell? A llama in the middle of the road?
Taj, where's my chicken nuggets?
They're coming. Oh, there's someone at the door.
Hello, Mr. Mahal.
Yes, call me Taj.
Hi, I'm Officer Popo. This is Counselor Betty White. Can we please speak to you for a moment, sir?
What's wrong?
Can we come into the house and maybe we could sit down and talk?
Sure. Please, have a seat in the kitchen. I'll follow you in.
Sure, no problem.
Taj, is everything okay? Where's Mom?
I don't know. She's fine. She's just at the store.
Okay.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, sir, there's been an accident involving your wife.
What's wrong?
Well, I think you should really have a seat, sir.
No, I don't want to sit. I just want what's wrong.
Well, there seemed to be an accident on Highway 5 where your wife lost control of her vehicle and crashed into a lawnmower.
Is she okay?
I really think that you should have a seat, sir.
No, I don't want to. Just tell me if she's okay. Is she okay?
Sir, I really think you should have a seat.
Oh my god, she's not okay, is she?
Sir, your wife died en route to the hospital.
Is there anyone you'd like me to call that can support you or can help you during this time?
I don't know. I don't know right now.
I really think we need to tell your daughter, Taj. It's going to be hard, but I'll be right here with you. Do you think you're going to be able to remain calm through telling her?
I don't know.
I know this is a hard time, but we'll be right here to support you.
Excuse me, I just have to go make a call to the station. I'll return momentarily.